Hey, thanks for joining the session. Let's see how we can click on hyperlinks using Python and Selenium. So let me just zoom in. Yeah. So here we got the boilerplate code ready. This is something that we have discussed in previous sessions. Like this code deals with all the setup of the Google Chrome browser instance and quitting that browser instance. So let's see how to click on these hyperlinks. So if you click on this link, hyperlink, it will take you to the facebook.com, and if you click on this, it's a Google search engine. So the target for this test case is we need to click on this hyperlink, which says this is it link to Google search engine. So yeah, let's start with that. So for that, we need to make sure that you add one more library here, which is by class. So this by class is actually imported from this common.by module, where you have a set of locator strategies that are used to identify the elements on web page. So let's see what it does mean. So the first statement is we need to get to that page, which is driver.get http localhost ui-test-page, and next steps deals with driver.find element and click on it. So let's see what it does, like finding element. What is the element that we are finding here? So we need to find this hyperlink. So that is the web element that we are trying to find. How we can find by using this by imported class. So let's see, we need to use by dot link text. So since we are searching for a hyperlink, we need to use this property, which has a which has a set of methods. So generally, this by class will have a set of methods for identifying web elements. By let us say if we use by dot link text, so that happens to be a hyperlink. Let us say we use by dot class, so that is the class name, and by dot id, so that happens to be we are querying the DOM by id property. So for now, we are just using by dot link text. And what is that text? Yeah, we are searching for link, and what is that text? So that text happens to be this is a link to Google search engine. So this is the one. This is the link to Google search engine. So that is the text of this link, and we are searching that link by this text that we have just provided, and we are clicking on it. Okay, so let's manually see what happens as soon as you click on this Google search engine. You'll be presented with a new window handle. So this is one window handle, and this is one more window handle. So we have to make sure that the new window handle have a text, have the URL google.com. So to confirm that, I mean, we need to make sure that the script knows that it is on the right web page. So for that, let's go with the verification part of the code, which is new window driver dot window handles. So once you check this variable, right, driver dot window handles, you'll be presented with two window handles. One is the main window handle that we are currently looking in, and this is the second new window handle. That is actually the last uh, window handle in this list of window handles. So that is something that we are accessing here, and we need to switch to that window handle. Switch to window, and we need to provide this new window here. So we need to switch our focus to that newer tab open, newer window handle, and we need to assert if that driver dot URL has google.com and its URL. So current URL equals https www.google.com. If that is not there, right, we need to say that current URL is not google.com. So let's verify once. Let's click on this HTML element. So it is just google.com, not okay. This is www.google.com. So that is something that we are verifying here, and the current URL is not www.google.com if this evaluates to be false. So we are asserting this statement. Let's run and see what happens and zoom out. Yeah. Yeah, let's see the response in full screen. So here we can see we navigated to UI-test-page, and yeah, we clicked on the new page, and even after clicking on that page, this google.com is actually verified with the provided text here, which happens to be www.google.com. So this is the expected URL once you switch to that window handle. So that is something that is asserted here. So if this happens to be false, we can see the assertion error that will be thrown from console logs here. So ideally now the test is passing. So we navigated to a specific page, clicked on the hyperlink, and even verified that hyperlink navigates us to a new tab, which happens to be google.com. So that is the verification, complete verification of the test case. Thanks for joining in, and we'll be taking a look at different other properties, like how to locate elements in browser by ID, by name, by XPath. We'll be looking that in next consequent sessions.